Ready to turn your Aisensy conversations into a powerful product showcase. First, navigate to the template section within your Aisensy dashboard. This is where the magic happens. Now, let's create a new template. Give it a descriptive name like Product Spotlight Summer Sandals so you can easily find it later. Select the appropriate category and language as well. Next, in the message editor, craft your compelling product description. Highlight the key features and benefits of your amazing summer sandals. Time for the visual appeal. Click the Add Media button and upload a stunning image of your product. A high-quality image will stop your audience in their tracks. Now, to the crucial part, the link. Use the Add button or Insert Link option to embed a link to your product page. The button text should be something action-oriented like Shop. Now be sure to paste the exact URL of the product page. Preview your message to ensure everything looks perfect. Check that the image is displaying correctly, the description is clear, and most importantly, that the Shop Now button takes you directly to the intended product page. Finally, select the template you just created when composing a message to your customer, and hit send. Now your customers can effortlessly browse and buy your product. And that's it. Start using image products and links within Aisensy to enhance your customer engagement and boost your sales.